Hello and welcome to Quick Anatomy Hub. Today we are going to talk about circulatory system. The circulatory system delivers essential substances to all cells for basic function. There are three major structures that make up this system: the heart, blood vessels, and blood itself. The heart pumps the blood in order to move nutrients through the blood vessels to nourish and remove metabolic waste from body. The heart has two major circuits within circulatory pathway. They work together. One is the pulmonary circulation or pathway, another is the systemic circulation or pathway. The right side of the heart have deoxygenated blood, which is pushed through pulmonary circuit to the lungs to get oxygenated. The pulmonary circulation is between heart and lungs, while the left side of heart pumps oxygenated blood to entire body, and then blood returns to the heart through systemic pathway. This is called systemic circulation, and then cycle continues through the pulmonary pathway. The heart is a muscular organ with two atria and two ventricles. The right and left side of the heart is separated by the septum, interatrial septum and interventricular septum. Heart consists of three layers of tissues. The innermost is endocardium. It lies inside the chambers of heart. The myocardium, it is the middle muscular layer, and third is the pericardium. This is tough double-layered fibrous sac which covers the heart. The space between these two layers of pericardium is called the pericardial cavity. It is filled with small amount of fluid and it allows smooth beating of heart, and it acts as lubricant while reducing the friction while beating. The heart is an involuntary muscle and works somewhat independently from the nervous system. The contraction of cardiac muscle is stimulated by the SA node in roof of the right atrium and AV node in the septum between atria and ventricles. When ventricles contract, it is called systole, and when the ventricles relax, it's called diastole. A human heart beats over 100,000 beats per day, so it's significant that every beat is coordinated and blood is directed where it should go. This is the blood flow through pulmonary circulation and the systemic circulation. So it's about the first part of the circulatory system, the heart. We will further discuss the blood vessels in next video. Thank you. If you have any question, you can comment below.